Most children live in families where they are loved and cherished from the day they are born. Others, who are removed from their birth family due to abandonment, neglect, or abuse, suffer a primal traumatic wound to their hardwired attachment system. Like a Category 5 hurricane that is totally devastating, such early attachment disruption may leave a child's internal attachment landscape entirely crushed. Still, among the rubble of the child's trauma, a foundational remnant of attachment remains. Yet, the child is lost, alone, helpless to rebuild upon his broken foundation. Separated from his family, the child may be homeless, moved to an orphanage, or one foster family after another, each time torn from essential human connections and left to survive on his own limited terms. His attachment system and emotional development in shreds. How can this helpless child's inner life be reconstructed? Those who have lived through deadly hurricanes know that rebuilding their lives can take years, and they can't do it alone. The same is true with children who have suffered severe complex traumas, and they can't do it alone. It takes time and a village to rebuild, to get rewired to the grid of human development in the safety and nurture of an adoptive family. Through compassionate connection, our hardwired attachment system is rebooted, and little by little, the once wrecked home of self is rebuilt upon the child's attachment foundation via therapeutic parenting of adoptive parents working with their child, where deep, solid attachments can be built with plenty of community resources to support them. Over time, with patience, empathy, and persistence, deep connections within the child and family are built upon one another until the child's house of self and attachments to others are secure and strong. As is true with raising a typical child, this process takes years, is difficult, and very rewarding. When you think you're healing your child is also healing you.